Welcome to How It's Fixed. In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2016 Toyota Corolla. As always, a good idea to lift up the car a little bit. In this case, we have lifted the car from both sides and we will go ahead and start the taking out process. Okay, so from underneath, this bumper has been broken due to an accident, but you see the sides where it's broken here, there, and then here, and one on the last section. So we take them out by using 10mm gun. In the perfect world, if you're trying to take it out, just use a 10mm impact gun or a round head ratchet. For some reason, someone has glued this section, but this is not how the usual cases are. On the corner, when we take it out, there is a clip here and one clip in the middle. So what we do is that we take out this clip and that'll be it. There is no screw and there is no bolt. That was it. The other side, it's the same thing. We took out the clip, but it was broken. Now the end part is the top part. We have to oil it a little bit so that it can become a little loose. After oiling the bolt, we used round head ratchet to turn the bolt right and left so that it becomes a little loose. It does look like we have pulled it enough and it's all good to take out the bolt completely using the impact gun. So the moment you take out the grill, you will notice there is a hidden clip underneath the grill as well. It is on both sides. There it is. We took out the front bumper of 2016 Toyota Corolla. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next video.